If you double-click a CSV, Excel often ruins the formatting and mashes everything into column A. You have to import it, not open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the correct button to click. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated CSV File Viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. The structure of a CSV is primarily defined as a component of the data file standard. The comma-separated values file wrapper contains all associated data. The CSV comma-separated values. File is a standardized plain text format used for storing tabular data, numbers, and text. It functions as the most universal way to exchange structured data between databases, spreadsheets, like Microsoft Excel, and analysis programs. The format follows the simple rule of separating data fields with commas and records with new lines. Its integrity relies entirely on the consistency of the delimiter. If the data contains commas or semicolons within a field, without being properly quoted, the receiving program will misinterpret the column structure. The fundamental reading standard for CSV is set by Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. The operating system is unable to apply the necessary display standards to this file. Windows gives only a basic outline, so complete interpretation requires compatible tools. Open the context menu by right-clicking the CSV file and selecting Open With. Start your test with Microsoft Excel if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If the CSV file is still giving you trouble, relax. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, use the Data Import Wizard. Open Excel, go to the Data tab, and select from Text, CSV to use the Import Wizard, which correctly handles large files and delimiters. Next, use a text editor. Open the CSV file in Notepad to manually check the content for inconsistent delimiters, commas versus tabs, or corrupted non-text characters. Finally, validate data structure. If importing into a database, verify that the first row includes field names and that the data structure matches the required import template. If the compatibility test failed, we now have official confirmation that this is a high-level issue. The right move is to try the Universal Opener, a dependable method for stubborn CSV files. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the CSV content is a massive time saver. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. The software mentioned is available via the link in the description. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.